Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x18 wood car hauler with two 35K axles. We have our jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as our breakaway box. There is a C-channel tongue and a spare tire holder. This hauler comes with pressure-treated wood flooring, as well as our stake pockets along the side. There is a removable fender on this car hauler, as well as two 35K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims. This is a dovetail car hauler with two stabilizer jacks included. This trailer does come with LED brake lights, as well as an 8,000-pound tongue jack. Once again, this is the 7x18 wood car hauler with two 35K axles. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.